things. Anyway, this is a tutorial to create an online presentation by using the online tool called Powtoon. So one of you perhaps in Powtoon and base so that allows you to create presentation in an easily and creative way. This is widely used by creator educators in the business world, education world, makers, and more. So now we need a, a Google account or Facebook account in order to log in this web page. Otherwise, you can create an account and you just need an email address and a password. So as you can see, it's an easy way to have access to this web page that allows you and offers a many advantages. You can create any content, animate content, uh, infographic videos, no 8 videos or more. So I'm gonna show you um, generally some characteristics in this workspace. So we have text. You can add text to your slices. Remember that you can add as many slices as you want, all of one that your presentation require. Text, a some characters. You can see some figures, mainly persons, yeah, that you can add according to your likes presentation. If your presentation needed, you can choose it. We can add videos, images, we can add um, sounds and more. We can see we can add text and we can change it. We can change the text, the color, for example, opacity. The we can give it some effects. See, for example, the color we can change it. Can change it in this bar. This is a bar on which you can set or adjust the time of the slide. According to this time, it is up to the duration of the whole presentation. Okay, you can set any background, any image you can have stored in your computer, or the same software offer you a set of image. All images are not free, so there are others that you need to pay in order to have other versions of it. Okay, so this is all, I guess, and you can see a final result like this. You can see, you can hear the sound in the background of the presentation. You can see text. You can see in a different kind of font. There you can see this letter is different to this one, and a background. Also, I'm gonna continue the presentation. Okay, you can see it's a catching sound, and the direction is short. We can see some effects, and you can see the title appear suddenly, and the rest of the content. Oh yes, the sound, that's an effect. Okay, multiple images can be used, as you can see they have been changing. with the presentation. We include other effects and more effects to show text and more. And that time, so as you can see, it's an easy way to create an online presentation. Publication we have here in order to choose your presentation once you have created we have social, for example, Facebook and YouTube. So you share Facebook web page or you can do it by mail that are coming to this content or other platform like Wistia or Spot. But or you can download it in a PDF format on a PowerPoint presentation. Or you can share by using Twitter account or LinkedIn. Okay, but this is already shared. When you have done it, you are gonna get a link, and then that link can be shared to people or in other spaces where you want. Okay, so I guess you have enjoyed this tutorial, and see you next time.